Ever worried about the security of your Beam wallet? Wondered how to prove it's really yours? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into verifying your Beam wallet. This isn't just about bragging rights, it's about bolstering trust and ensuring your Beam remains safe and sound. Beam, with its focus on privacy, offers a unique challenge when it comes to traditional account verification. Unlike banks or centralized exchanges, you won't find typical KYC/AML procedures here. But fear not. Beam provides its own method for verifying wallet ownership, giving you a unique way to prove you're the rightful owner of your funds. Benefits of verification. Why bother with verification, you ask? Well, imagine this. Dispute resolution. If any issues arise, having a verified wallet can significantly strengthen your position in resolving disputes. Increased trust. In a decentralized world, trust is paramount. Verifying your wallet can build trust within the Beam community and with potential trading partners. Enhanced security. While Beam's privacy features are a major plus, verification adds another layer of security to your wallet, making it even more difficult for unauthorized parties to access your funds. Verification process. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Here's a general overview of the Beam wallet verification process. Generate a proof of ownership. This is the core of the verification process. Your Beam wallet will generate a unique cryptographic proof that demonstrates your control over the private keys associated with your wallet address. Share the proof. Securely, you'll need to share this proof with the party or entity you're trying to verify your wallet ownership with. This can be done through secure channels like encrypted messaging apps. Verification and validation. The recipient of your proof will then use specific tools or methods to validate the proof and confirm that it indeed originates from the wallet address you claim to own. Important notes. Security first. Always prioritize security when sharing your proof of ownership. Never share your private keys directly with anyone. Privacy considerations. While verification enhances trust, remember that Beam is a privacy-focused coin. Carefully consider the implications for your privacy before sharing any verification information. Community guidelines. Refer to the official Beam documentation and community guidelines for the most up-to-date and accurate information regarding wallet verification. Practical example optional. To make things clearer, let's illustrate with a simple example. Imagine you're selling some Beam to another user. To build trust, you can generate a proof of ownership for the wallet address you're sending the Beam from. This proof will demonstrate to the buyer that you are indeed the rightful owner of the funds and that the transaction is legitimate. Verifying your Beam wallet is a crucial step towards enhancing security, building trust, and ensuring a smooth and secure experience within the Beam ecosystem. While it may seem complex at first, the process is relatively straightforward once you understand the underlying principles. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.